you put your hands like this. Give me some love. Come on. Come on. There's a story that I was told. I want to tell the whole world before I get too old. Don't remember it, reassemble it, let's assemble it, oh yeah. Once upon a time in a town like this, a little girl made a great big wish to fill the world full of happiness. And beyond Santa's magic list, shake up the happiness. Wake up the happiness. Come on, y'all, it's Christmas time. Shake up the happiness. Wake up the happiness. Come on, y'all, it's Christmas time. There's a boy that I was told. I want to tell the whole world before I get too old. Won't remember it, let's assemble it, reassemble it, oh yeah. Once upon a time in a town like this, a little girl made a great big wish to fill the world full of happiness. And beyond Santa's magic list, shake up the happiness. Wake up the happiness. Come on, y'all, it's Christmas time. Shake up the happiness. Wake up the happiness. Come on, y'all, it's Christmas time. Oh, 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 it's Christmas time. Shake up the happiness. Wake up the happiness. Come on, y'all, it's Christmas time. You guys sing like this. Oh, 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 sing. Oh, 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 it's Christmas time. Maraming salamat po. Merry Christmas again. And let's light up the beautiful Christmas tree. Thank you very much. Sir!
I just want to make sure this time. Matteo, ladies and gentlemen, let's give him a big round of applause. And of course, Yusef. Hi, nice to have you here at the Gateway Mall. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
This is one happy guy.
Of course, we all must be happy, no?
Pero you are more happier because everybody knows already that you are already engaged.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
I'm not sorry, girls. Dito tayo sa gitna so everybody can see you. So how does it feel? You know, ano ba to? Plinano mo ba?
Oh, it feels great, man. Life should be celebrated. Life should be happy, and we all have to be happy all together because love is the answer for everything, brother. Do you agree with me?
And let's talk about memories. Okay, mention, you know, Christmas is fast approaching in line, of course, with those Christmas songs that you sang. Are there like any fond memories of Christmas? Because you remember? Would you like to, maybe you can share with us?
Christmas is always good. Ako, Bisaya naman ako, so every Christmas time we go back to Cebu, spend it with the family. It's a day we can all reunite with the family, you know. Everybody's abroad, everybody's in different places, but Christmas time is a solid time, it's family time, and we're all together. So that's what's beautiful about Christmas.
I'm just curious, because of course Cebu is lechon, Cebu is famous for their lechon,
Yes.
Is there like one staple food ba na hindi nawawala every Christmas season?
Lechon's always there, lechon. And I'm also half Italian, so
yes,
pasta's always there.
Yeah.
So,
okay.
automatic na yan.
Wow. Okay, now this will be my last question before we proceed
Yes,
to
brother.
our highlight for today's celebration. Araneta City has long been considered as a home for the stars. So on that note, what are some of the fond memories you've had within the Araneta City?
Wow.
A question ba?
Christmas. I think now I'm thinking Christmas specials or maybe a CBM. We always have it here, of course.
Correct.
All big events, we all have it in Araneta. Araneta is the center of everything beautiful. Diba? All the beautiful celebrations happen here. And in the mall also, in the stadium behind us,
It's beside.
Here?
Yeah.
Okay. So, you know, everything fun, everything celebratory, we have it here. So that's what's good about Araneta.
All right, thank you so much for sharing
Thank
that.
you so much.
Once again, another big round of applause for Matteo here. Okay, now here is the moment we've all been waiting for. Matteo, I hope you don't mind if I hold up your microphone. Sir, thank you. Because right now, we will be lining up this giant Christmas tree, and at this point, we'd like to request some of our VIPs to join, of course, Matteo. We would like to request our proper